Hello everyone, I'm Animesh Sharma. I am here to share my SSB experience with you. I'll just finish this in 5 topics: my background, when to start the preparation, how to prepare for SSB, how was my SSB experience, and points to remember. So, a short background about me: I was working into Merchant Navy as a deck cadet, and I decided to give AFCAT. I have a defense background, so that was one of the reason for me to prepare for AFCAT. I cleared AFCAT 1 2018 in my second attempt. AFCAT 2 2017 I couldn't clear the written. AFCAT 1 2018 I was recommended and I cleared the medicals and I was merit out. I couldn't clear into the merit. After that I gave 1 or 2 attempts. So we'll start with when to start the preparation. The moment you decide that you want to join armed forces, I feel that is the right moment to start your preparation. SSB preparation is very vast in the sense it starts with book, notebooks, pen, paper, and it goes till your personality and then goes to your physical personality. So whenever you have decided that okay, you are going to join forces, armed forces, start your preparation with writtens. How to go about it, that I'll tell further. Start medical physical running exercises, if possible yoga, and do take care of your personality, because what you think you become. So from the day one you have to start thinking that okay, I have to become an Indian Armed Force officer. So you have to start behaving like one, you have to think like one, you have to act like one. So I'll start with when I just did my background, when to start the preparation, how to prepare. So mostly I'll be covering here CDS and AFCAT, because NDA it is different. So for AFCAT and CDS the preparation is quite same. The thing is you have to be good in mathematics, and I feel you have to be good in English, maths or English. If you are good in these two, I guess you can score well. The idea here is to get into merit. The idea is not just to get screened in or just to get recommended. Even I thought that, but I couldn't get into merit. So you have to get into merit, and to get into merit, written and SSB score counts a lot. So make sure your written score is very good. SSB will talk about it. So how to prepare? You can join a coaching if you feel like. There is no harm, there is no such a great advantage of coaching. Coaching will not change you, it will not give OLQs into you in just a 15-day interval. It's just that you get a stage to practice, a rehearsal stage, so that you can practice your GT, you can give a mock interview, you can experience all the fears beforehand, so that you don't freak out or panic out in main SSB interview. So I feel in that way coaching is good. सुनो आप सबकी, करो आप अपनी. Whatever you think it's logical, take it. Whatever you think okay it's not logical, avoid it, not a problem. But I'll prefer coaching is okay. I took a coaching, so that is up to you, your choice. If you are economically sound, then I prefer you should take coaching. Then for maths you can study Arihant, fast track objective or anything arithmetic. English you can do online, paper reading and all. Current affairs you can download apps, and every day they give a short summary. So these things will help you in preparing for written. Do prepare for military aptitude. It's easy but it's tricky, so you have to solve a lot of questions, and make sure that for AFCAT you score more than at least 200, because the competition is such high, especially in administration and logistics branch, that 180 190 doesn't count. For me it was 170, my score was around 170 and I got merit out. So you have to score at least 200 210, so that you are free from your written part. So we covered written here. Then you will come to SSB. SSB preparation is not time scaled preparation. You have to keep your eyes, ears open. Do follow the news. And for SSB, as I told, if you want to take a coaching, it's fine, otherwise not an issue. Just keep an opinion about everything, what is going around you, current affairs as they ask in interview, you might be knowing. So have some news and all ready with you with some stuff so that you can answer questions there. It should not be that they ask, okay, what happened in Kala Pani, tell me something about India Nepal history. You should have something to speak. So I feel it will be good if you keep general awareness in hand, especially general awareness में current affairs, and have your own opinion in everything. Okay, he'll ask, okay, Animesh, tell me, what do you think India should do now in case with China? So you should know, okay, what India should do. India should follow diplomatic channels or just be at defensive stage or whatever. And when we go to SSB, so here I finish with SSB preparation. SSB preparation also includes your medical fitness, so do keep doing exercises and read newspapers, watch TV debates, constructive TV debates. Do watch TED Talks. I used to watch TED Talks, so it gives you a morale boost as well as it gives you a positive vibe. And do see if you want to see some toppers videos or something, if you feel that boosts you a lot. Next comes SSB experience. SSB experience for me was very different because I reported in a t-shirt, jeans and sandal, which is not I felt it was not at all professional, because the other candidates which reported were like, I felt they are gentlemen cadets themselves. So we reported around 264 and 66 were screened in and 2 got recommended. So मेरे से जस्ट पिछले वाले बैच में भी यही रेशियो था, 270 रिपोर्टेड, 70 स्क्रीन्ड इन, 2 रिकमेंडेड, 1 फॉर फ्लाइंग, 1 फॉर एडमिन. सो मेरे तो मोरल की थोड़ी हालत ख़राब हो गई थी. माई मोरल वॉज क्वाइट डाउन बिकॉज आउट ऑफ 270 वेयर डू आई स्टैंड फॉर 2 रिकमेंडेशन. ये थॉट रहता है हमेशा, हर कैंडिडेट के थॉट रहता है. मैनी बैचेस गेट वॉश आउट. So don't think like this. You have to take your own seat. That is one seat. So think about your own seat. And this is the best part of SSB is that they judge you for who you are. They have no limitations of candidates. They can take 10 also. They can wash out the batch. So perform in your capacity. Perform well, and definitely it is going to be yours. So don't think about how many are getting recommended. It is a rejection board or selection board. There are many myths going on. Allahabad बहुत tough है. Varanasi बहुत tough है. In my time, it was in FSB. Varanasi was rejection board. I cleared from Varanasi. Still, I couldn't get into merit. So these are all myths. Don't concentrate your energy on such things. They'll just divert your interest and divert your effort. So we reported, and first day itself they'll take your psych test. Especially in AFSBs, they do that. So for psych tests, be ready. Have proper rest before night. वैसे तो नींद आती नहीं है उससे एक रात पहले, बट स्टिल ट्राई टू स्लीप. हैव स्लीप व्हेन दे गिव यू 2 to 3 hours रेस्ट इन बिटवीन ऑफ स्क्रीनिंग एंड साइक. हैव अ काम माइंड. डोंट थिंक मच अबाउट क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. इट जस्ट पैनिक्स यू. सो गिव योर साइक प्रॉपरली. व्हेन they tell that, okay, just see the picture, you just see the picture for 30 seconds. Don't see the picture for 20 seconds and start writing. That shows somewhere you're in a hurry, and in that point of time you'll miss some small detail. Like in my screening, it was like I was shown a picture in which the person was having a rank, and slight some hat was there, so I could make out that he's either a police guy or some army guy. So I wrote that in my story, and maybe I got screened in because of that, because only I was the one who noticed that. None of the story was same. So do carefully watch the picture. It helps a lot. Psych, as I told, be very frank, be very honest in your self-description. All your interview goes around your self-description. So have everything ready. If you are courageous, okay, how can you tell me you're courageous? If you have been very cooperative, okay, tell me 1 or 2 examples in your friends' incidents when you have been cooperative. So have a background ready for everything. Next day they conducted an interview. So mostly it is interview, and sometimes it is group tasks also. For interview, I would like to say be calm-minded, be properly dressed, be sober, and be ready with your self-awareness, because that interview is interview. So it is your view inside you. So please be ready with everything, especially reasoning out things. Okay, Animesh, when did you last fought with your brother? This was the question to me. So I told sir this. He said, okay, why? What do you think? Who was wrong? So you have to reason out things. Why do you think? Mostly they don't ask political questions, but they may ask, okay, why do you think that Atmanirbhar Bharat is not going to help so much? Sometimes he'll just change the question and he'll ask in such a manner that you try to answer in his way. You have to be very impartial there, very logical. That sir, okay, this is the case. Atmanirbhar Bharat is such a this. You have to be very practical and impartial. You don't have to just हाँ में हाँ नहीं मिलानी इंटरव्यूअर के कि हाँ okay if he is saying I have to say हाँ no, it is not like that. You feel your opinion is different, you have to state your opinion. Then in interview please be prepared with your defense awareness as well. If you're going for Indian Air Force, you should know about Indian Air Force, not too much in depth, but at least somewhat. What are the squadrons, what are the types of aircraft, which command is headquartered where, which operations Air Force has participated in. So such things should be ready with you, because they expect that if the person is coming for joining armed forces, he must be really motivated and interested. It is not just any other job. So that shows, if you have that defense awareness, it shows that how much you are interested to join Indian Armed Forces. And be ready with your current affairs. Prepare some 5 to 10 current affairs news of India as well as outside. Try keeping it diversified. And next day is your group task. If your interview goes well, make sure your interview goes well, because it carries a lot of weightage. You must be knowing all that. So for GTO, I would like to say that it is a group task. What happens is we start thinking that okay, I haven't spoken much in my GD. Let me shout, let me speak, because I'm not getting a chance. Of course you have to speak, of course you have to put your argument, but in a sober manner. You should not cross that line where it starts looking ugly, because people start shouting. Everyone will shout at that point of time together. You have to maintain that dignity, and you have to participate well. It's a group task, so you have to take the group with you. It is not that group is coming behind you, group is going with you. So you have to think about your group in every task. Group task, half group task, progressive group task, final group task. You have to think about, okay, हमारे सारे लोग कैसे उस पार चले जाएंगे, how we'll cross this obstacle, what are the problems, and do make sure that you take care of the last person coming. They'll always ask, okay, tell me now how the last person is going to come. So you should be ready with the answer, sir, last person को हम ऐसे extract करेंगे. So that should be ready with this, and make your lecture rate good. Lecture rate is a very important test. Don't panic out if you're not able to speak more than 2 minutes. Just start connecting it with your some personal story. If they ask about poverty and you stop in between around 1 minute 45 seconds, you start saying that, okay, yesterday when I was coming to SSB board, I saw many people were quite poor and they were without any help. So you can collect with personal experiences. It shows that you're not giving up. Lecturate is all about testing your mental stamina. When are you giving up? So you should not give up before 3 minutes till the second bell goes. You have to speak and conclude in 2 minutes 45 seconds. Conclude it and say thank you and sit down. And regarding other tasks, you must be knowing, it's quite in the public domain, everyone knows it. Be cooperative, be friendly, be friends to everyone. Go out in your SSB, during your SSB, go out and visit the city. It's not just to answer in the interview that you went out. People do talk like that. It's just to know the city. It shows that, okay, you're an outgoing person, you like to visit places, and you're not just a person sitting inside an igloo. So go out and keep your background, like when you present your background, make it sober. When you tell about your friends, family, make sure that you're quite confident. And one thing I'd like to add, okay, I'll tell this later. SSB experience for me, the last day was conference, as always, nothing new. The conference time is quite you are quite nervous, because first time you are facing the entire board. I cleared SSB in my first attempt, so I got very nervous by seeing the conference, but usually it goes smooth. So don't be nervous, they are just officers, they are also human beings. If you go nervous, they might notice that okay, why is going nervous and all. So better be confident, be happy. Whatever you gave out of your best. That's it. That's what matters. If your psych doesn't go well, doesn't mean that you get depressed and you get sad and your other tests are spoiled as well. SSB is a collection of everything. It is the marks which come out is your psych, GTO and interview. Not one test cannot spoil your SSB. So make sure that you give your best in every aspect of SSB, in every test. And points to remember, major points I would like to say. I told you what we think, we become. So from starting from day one, start thinking that you are an officer. They are not selecting normal candidates and then making them officers. They are selecting officers and then polishing them. So make sure that you are already an officer. They are not going to spend money in making you officer. No, they are selecting people who are already officers, those who already are having OLQs. Everyone has OLQs. For some people it is enhanced and polished. So make sure that you behave, act, talk, walk like an officer. It makes a lot of difference. I have experienced this personally. Interact well, interact with positive people. Do see TED Talks, as I told you. See some good defense motivational videos. What is happening in around defense deals, upcoming defense deals. What are not so good and bad about those defense deals as per your opinion. Don't say anything which is very illegitimate, that makes a bad impression about you. Don't freak out in interview. If you don't know anything, sir, I don't know, I'll find it out. Don't play around and shoot some bullshit. They're going to catch you anyway. So if you don't know, sir, I don't know, I'll find it out. Simple. And do talk to people there, but they'll give you some great gyan. There will be many people who have given SSB multiple times and they will have a hell lot of gyan, and they'll tell you, okay, don't do like this in progressive task, it is not good. No, whatever you feel, you do. It is your own opinion, it is your own individual candidature. So please perform as per yourself. Next point is, as I told you, start behaving and thinking like one. And do keep your goal in mind that you have to get merit. You have to get into merit. Clearing SSB is not just your last target. Your destination is Air Force Academy or Officers Training Academy, whatever it is. So do think about merit. Screening आप हो जाओगे, आप recommend भी हो जाओगे if you think about merit. If you start thinking about screening, then the things go bad. Because I was thinking like that. I was thinking, okay यार बस मैं screening हो जाऊँ, 5 दिन तो रहने को मिलेगा. Then my friend texted, who was already an officer. He told that अबे ऐसे मत सोच कि at least recommend होना है और merit में जाना है. And I was like, yeah, तो ये तो बोलेगा ही, but I got recommended. So you have to think about merit. Keep goals high. So I would like to say, and for CDS, please start preparing about more into details, specific books. For economy, you start preparing a little bit differently. For polity, you start reading Lakshmikant. After giving my SSBs, now I'm quite overage. I've just crossed 25 and a half, so I'm overage for defense. So I started preparing for IAS. I'm currently preparing for civil services, and when I see that IAS prelims and CDS prelims, so it is somewhere near. So you have to keep your preparation quite good up to civil candidates. So start preparing with Lakshmikant for polity. For economy, you start seeing some specific videos. A single pathfinder, I feel, cannot serve the purpose. बाकी आपकी मर्जी है, आप जैसे प्रिपेयर करते हो, आपके जो चैनल्स हैं, सोर्सेज हैं, कीप फॉलोइंग देम. स्टार्ट रीडिंग करंट अफेयर्स. As I told, do have your opinion, and I wish you all the luck. That's it about myself and my experience. I feel it helps you, and all the very best to all of you. And do let me know what was your result, and all the best. Jai Hind.